Erin, how was the experience of learning Scratch?
I think it was fun because we got to know how to do block coding, and after that we used EduBot to move the robot. So I think that was a fun experience for me.
So, which one you like most, the Scratch one or doing the same thing that you did in the Scratch and now you're doing with the robot? Which one seems more practical to you or more entertaining?
I like the Scratch, but I like the robot better
Mm-hmm.
because it look it it's more fun because it has more challenges and tasks.
Do
So
you,
I think it was the most interesting.
do you think it will develop one's logic or thinking capability of challenges to overcome things like that, right?
So are you asking if it's gonna help?
It help you to get ideas like how to move the challenges, right?
I think experience is considered very important. So
Mm-hmm.
I think using those robots and learning about this today would be considered very important in the future.
Thank you very much, Erin. Nice to meet you too, and I wish you a good future. Thank you.